I'm going to show you how to make this woven cross using pages of an old magazine. It is also known as Brigid cross and is often used as part of the festival of Imbolc. These are traditionally made using rushes, but I don't have many rushes near me, so I've made some out of paper instead. Here's what you'll need to make them. You'll need a magazine, preferably one with more pictures than text, some glue and a brush, a craft knife, some scissors, some strong thread, and a very long thin knitting needle. And you could also use a skewer. Start by cutting 1-inch strips from your magazine, and you'll need at least 12 of these strips rolled into straws to make the cross. Apply some glue just down one edge of the strip, leaving a couple of fingers free at one end so that you can hold the paper. And then onto that glue-free section, roll the corner around your knitting needle or skewer, and then keep rolling all the way up the needle. Add an extra bit of glue at the top to seal it in place, and slide the straw off the knitting needle. And let the straw dry. Here I've got my stack of 12 straws. I've divided them into 3 groups. There's 4 pinks, 4 greens and 4 blues. I'm going to start with the pink straws. One of them I'm going to pinch in the middle and fold in half to make a little pair of legs. And then I'm going to take an unfolded pink straw and slide those legs over the straw. Make sure they're right in the middle. Take your next pink straw, pinch it in the middle, fold it in half to make a pair of legs, and slip those over the 2 legs you've just added. Hold everything together with your left thumb and finger. Twist that to the left anti-clockwise, take another straw, pinch it in the middle to make a pair of legs, and slip that over the legs you've just added and any other straws that are on that arm of the cross. Twist to the left, take another straw, and I'm on the green ones now, pinch in the middle, and slip that over the legs you've just added. And twist to the left, and you'll start to see the square appearing in the middle. Take your next straw, fold it in half, and slip it over the legs you've just added and all the other straws on that arm. And as I add these, I make sure they don't overlap too much, they lie next to each other. Twist to the left, take another straw, pinch it in the middle, and slip the legs over the arm of the cross. And twist to the left. Take another straw, pinch it in the middle, and slip those legs over the arm of the cross. And it should look just the same on the back as it does on the front. Twist that to the left anti-clockwise, and now I'm on to my last 4 straws. Pinch them in the middle, make a pair of legs, and slip that over the arm of the cross. With this straw, I'm not pulling it all the way down because I want to use that loop to slide my last straw through. Take your next straw, make a pair of legs, and slip that over. Take the next straw, pinch it in the middle, make a pair of legs, and slip them over. And now for the last straw. That's going to be fed through the loop we've left. So pinch it in the middle, and then slide one side of the leg through that loop, and the other side goes over all the straws and through the same loop. Give it a good tug to pull it down. And then tighten up the other legs, including the one that we've left a little bit longer to make that loop. Give them all a little tug just to neaten everything up and make that square nice and square shaped. Next, we're going to tie all the straws together at the end, and that will hold everything really securely in place. Take a length of cord and tie it around one of the bundles of legs. Pull it quite tight so that the legs all splay out, and then tie that in a knot. Repeat this all the way around the cross. And once you've tied all the legs together, give them a bit of a haircut just to neaten up the ends. And that is a finished cross. These are a lot more colourful than the traditional rush-made ones, but I rather like that. I'm hoping that the coming spring brings a lot of colour to my garden. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I do, and please look at some of my other videos for more crafty ideas and things you can make. Here's to a lovely spring.